guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Tuesday and we are at the newly opened Benelli Showroom here at the launch event of Benelli, and I'll try to click some shot and show you guys. So yep, let's go inside and take a walk around. It's gonna be a short video.
I can trust myself, I believe in now.
In the city of Guwahati. Guwahati has always been an important market for us, especially because of the geography and the topography, and we know there are a lot of very big riding culture that exists in this part of the country, and we've always kind of been absent over here. We have a lot of Benelli customers who always wondered when will we have a service facility, when will spares are going to be there. So it really brings me a lot of joy and a lot of pride to share that we are here now finally with this amazing 3S facility, the workshops right here, and I'm really glad to see that we have so many people who come out in support of our launch. I'm also glad to share that we will be showcasing the newly launched TRK bike here today. This is a bike that we launched nationally in Bombay last month, and we already started online booking. We got a very good response. We have over 4,000 inquiries, over 150 bookings online, and I'm very glad to share that this is the first city in this part of the country where we have actually brought the TRK, and I hope you guys like the bike. I hope you guys like all the bikes we bring in the future. We look forward to more interactions with you. We look forward to having a lot more rides with you. We look forward to adding to the Benelli family very much. So with that, I don't want to take any more time to enjoy the bike. So allow me to showcase the bike to you and invite all of you to come and have a look.
খাই আছে ইহঁতে ভাল ল'ৰা মইতো ভাল কি খাই আছে বে ধ্ৰুৱে
Corona probol.
ধ্ৰুৱ কিবা কোৱা
বঢ়িয়া লাগিলে
আৰে কেনেকুৱা লাগিলে
বঢ়িয়া মজা
তো কোনখন বেছি ভাল লাগিলে তোমাৰ 600 I hopefully will ride it soon So yeah, that's it for this video, and bye bye.
Bye bye.